Welcome to this tutorial on how to invite people to collaborate on your Wix site. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, log into your Wix account by clicking on Login in the top right corner. Once you're in, hover over the website where you want to add a collaborator and click on Select Site. This will bring you to your site dashboard. Scroll down and click on Settings. Then, in the Settings menu, find and click on Roles and Permissions. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see an Invite Collaborators button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. After typing in the email, scroll down and choose the role you want to assign to them. There are different roles available, so pick the one that best fits what they'll be doing. Once you've done that, click on Send Invite in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear asking how you're connected to the person you're inviting. Choose the right option and click Done. In this overview, you can see all roles and permissions and the status of your invite. If there's a pending label next to their name, they haven't accepted the invite yet. You can also see when you sent the invite and how many days are left until it expires. Just remember, invitation emails are valid for 30 days. To manage your collaborator, hover over their name and click on the More icon. You'll see options like Change Role, Resend Invite, Get Invite Link, and Remove. Just click on what you need and follow the instructions. If you have any feedback or questions, please let us know in the comments below. And if you don't have a Wix account yet, no problem. You can sign up for a 100% free account using the link in the description below and start building your own website today.